DJI has unveiled its highly anticipated drone, the Mavic 3. And it's not just an evolution compared to its predecessor, but a revolution. With the largest sensor for the main camera that combines with another telephoto lens, this drone is sure to give you one of the best aerial shooting experiences. Though there have been so many upgrades for the drone, spending such a hefty amount of money for a prosumer drone might not seem like a great deal. Besides, you will find the DJI Air 2S for getting most of your jobs done, even at less than half of its price. So, considering the price range, should you go for the DJI's newly announced Mavic 3 or just get the affordable Air 2S? To find out, watch till the end, as in this video, we will be showing you an overall comparison between the Mavic 3 and Air 2S, so that you know which one to buy. So, without further ado, let's dive in. When buying a consumer drone for regular usage, you would certainly want that to be as lightweight and compact as possible. And the DJI Air 2S is one of the lightest foldable drones you will find. Yet, it packs powerful features overall for excellent aerial shots. As for the Mavic 3, you will get greater performance with a bigger battery capacity for increased flight time, which has made the aircraft a bit bulkier than the Air 2S. Nevertheless, even with such upgrades, DJI has done pretty well to keep the drone minimal and lighter than its preceding model. So, if you want a more compact drone taking less space on the go, the Air 2S is more likely to be the better travel companion. However, if you want to avail the best capture from the bird's eye view, the Mavic 3 is what you need. The larger 4x3 CMOS sensor undoubtedly boosts up the camera performance, allowing you to shoot 5.1K videos at 50 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second. Though the Air 2S promises a higher resolution of 5.4K videos, the Mavic 3 will give you more crisp and clearer footage. Besides, the additional telelens with a 1x2 CMOS sensor opens up more opportunities, allowing you to zoom up to 28 times. On the contrary, the Air 2S supports up to 8 times digital zoom. But zooming isn't the main focus from a drone camera. The standard version of Mavic 3 supports the H.264 codec, and the Cine version, on the other hand, supports Apple's ProRes 422 HQ codec video encoding. This captures more natural color and ensures vibrant and colorful videos, whereas the Air 2S also supports the same Hasselblad's H.264 color codec. So, you're likely to get the same video output as the standard version of the Mavic 3. Moreover, the Air 2S even offers a more viewing angle of 88 degrees compared to the 84 degrees of Mavic 3. Though you can enable a wider view for the Mavic 3 with an external wide-angle lens, you will have to pay an additional $179. The Air 2S also seems to give you better ways of capturing still shots. Though both the cameras can shoot up to 20 megapixel images, the Air 2S offers various modes like burst shooting, smart photo with hyperlight, HDR panoramas, and many more. So, why would you want to pay almost double for the Mavic 3 when you can get almost similar shooting capabilities or even better in some cases with the affordable Air 2S? The only upgrade for the Mavic 3 than the Air 2S are the latest OcuSync 3 Plus technology for better connectivity and APAS 5.0 for omnidirectional optical sensing. The OcuSync 3 Plus offers up to 15 kilometers of maximum video transmission distance, whereas the OcuSync 3 of Air 2S offers up to 12 kilometers. And for optical avoidance, Mavic 3 stays ahead with an infrared sensor at the bottom of the aircraft for sensing obstacles from every side. The Air 2S also provides a decent enough optical avoidance sensor with advanced pilot assistance system that can work in 4 directions. Oh, another upgrade is the battery capacity, which is not as efficient as DJI claimed. According to DJI, the Mavic 3 should offer up to 46 minutes of maximum flight time, but that was not the case in most of the drones. On the other hand, the Air 2S is claimed to deliver up to 31 minutes of maximum flight time, and the Air 2S delivers almost the same amount of battery life. So you ain't likely to get much of a difference in flight time if DJI doesn't fix with a firmware upgrade. Lastly, as we have already mentioned, the Mavic 3 costs more than double compared to the Air 2S, which delivers great all-in-one performance yet has a much compact size. And if you're not dedicatedly focused on more professional-looking footage, the Air 2S should be your preferred choice. Which prosumer drone would you prefer? Let us know in the comments below. Like and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.